windy. Like this whole traffic lights is like geez. It's light, so it's great, but at the same time, because it's light, when it is very windy, that's when it's like getting affected very much so. Also because the seating position on a Ninja 400 is like very straight, you know, whereas if you ride a Yamaha, not R3 would be this pretty much the same thing. It's very like straight. Like if you're riding a Yamaha R7 or something, it will be more like racing, maybe a lot more than Ninja 400 or R3. So windy. I just left Namdai, the Asian store, but I couldn't find a soy milk, the unsweetened soy milk that I was looking for. So I'm gonna attempt to go to Kroger and try and see if they have it. It's not too far. It's about, right now it says 13 minutes, so it's not too bad. It's very windy today. Like this whole traffic lights is like it looks like it's gonna fly over. Riding a Ninja 400, the bike is so light, it's very much getting affected by the wind. You know, that's one thing about smaller motorcycle has an disadvantage, is because it's so light and easy to maneuver. Oh, so nice car. So it's light, so it's great, but at the same time, because it's light, when it is very windy, that's when it's like getting affected very much so. Also because the seating position on a Ninja 400 is like very straight, you whereas if you ride a Yamaha R3 would be pretty much the same thing. It's very like straight. Like if you're riding a Yamaha R7 or something, it'll be more like racing, maybe a lot more than Ninja 400 or R3. So because of that, the wind is very much affected. Only thing that helps a little bit is the windshield for Ninja 400. Whereas driving the naked bikes, if you're what's the model? Kawasaki Z400 or MT-07 or something like that. Naked bikes would be more affected. That's one of the things I don't like about Ninja 400. It is an amazing bike, but on the windy days, struggle. Nice neighborhood, except it's like by the road. This intersection, Food Depot. Oh, Food Depot. I wonder if they have it. Oh, truck. Stop by at the Food Depot, but I wanna ride it a little bit longer. Such a nice day. Get one of those cruise control clamp. The hands get tired sometimes. This one has such a big yard. Bump. Kroger I know. Oh yeah, I think it is. What? Kroger, hopefully they have the unsweetened soy milk. Come on people, drive. It's green so I can turn. Come on now. Stop by In and Out. I don't even want to take my helmet off. Probably I should. I don't want to look sus or anything.